Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Burger Please game. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no login or sign up for the game connected to any account, all of your progress within the game will be saved locally to your phone storage, which means if you wish to log out or delete your account, you will need to delete your user data for the Burger Please game. So in order to do this, you will need to open up your phone settings first. So open up your phone settings, and now from the settings page, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from the application page, you can tap on the search box and then type in and search for the Burger Please game. Once you find the game, go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be taken into the application info page. Now first of all, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the game. Then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage page, if you tap on clear data at the bottom left corner, this will clear all of your user data for the Burger Please game. Tap on this and then tap on the delete button, and after this, if you open up the Burger Please game, you will start from a new game, which means that your progress and your saved account has now been deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on the Burger Please game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.